Hi oven mate, welcome to Quincy's Bakery, your baking plug and go-to spot for all things sweet and delicious. Today we are going to be making this delicious orange cake that not only looks impressive but tastes absolutely divine. I couldn't even resist it myself, so get ready to tantalize your taste buds with this vibrant flavor of zesty orange infused into every bite of this delightful cake. So grab your aprons and let's get started. Before we say goodbye, I want to extend my heartfelt thank you to each and everyone who joined us on today's baking session. So here we have it, oven made a mouth-watering orange cake that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Whether you are celebrating a special occasion or simply indulging in a sweet treat, this cake is sure to delight your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Please like, subscribe, and share. Click on the post notification board. Your support and enthusiasm means so much to me, and I can't wait to see you back here in Quincy's Bakery for our next baking session. Until then, keep spreading sweetness, sharing joy, and baking a storm. Happy baking, dear friends. Bye bye.